How to see download data on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox, and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile, and at the right top corner there are the three lines. Just click on the three lines, click on the settings and the privacy. Here you can see there is an option of the account. Click on the account here, and there is an option of the download your data. Before to see your copy of your TikTok data, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see download data. There is an option of request data and the download data. Whenever you have to request for data, after that here the data will be appear like I have requested for my data is being processing. Whenever I have to get that data will appear here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.